Alright guys, please pay attention. This is how to complete the ORB, that's Orbinum Network Testnet. So you just go ahead and copy this link. You can use Mesos browser, you can use your Chrome, but it is more flexible on Mesos browser, or you can use whichever one that is preferred to you. So copy the link and just go ahead, click on connect using MetaMask. Right, so for those who have who are using what is it called, Mesos browser, ensure you install the extension already. So just go ahead and connect your wallet. For those using Chrome, your MetaMask will pop up, and you just go ahead and connect as well. So the same thing is applicable on both ends. So after your connection, you'll be told to provide your profile name. Go ahead and provide profile name. Then you click on register and sign in. Then after that, you come and you click on login. Then troubleshoot error. So let me just try to refresh. Alright, so let's wait for the captcha to load. Alright, so the captcha has loaded. Just go ahead and click on sign in, and your wallet will pop up for you to confirm the activity. So you just go ahead and confirm. So upon confirmation, you get this interface. You just click down. So the first thing to do when you try to do your daily reward check-in, you'll be told to provide your Discord, Telegram and X account. But for you to be able to connect that, you just go ahead and complete these 3 tasks. These are the 3 major tasks you have to complete. Let's start with the Discord. Alright, so I have my Discord logged in already. So I'll just go ahead and approve. I'll just scroll and authorize. Same thing, I've logged in into the right Discord account, and I'll just go ahead and accept the invitation. Then you see verify, click on verify, then you verify here and drop a message on the group to ensure that you have been fully verified. So after this, the next thing to do is to rerun the task. Right, go back and connect your Discord now. So when you do this, your connection will now be authorized. Right, so just go ahead, scroll down, then authorize. Alright, so as you can see, my Discord has been successfully connected. So we do the next task, which is Telegram task. So just go ahead and click on connect, then connect with Telegram. Just go ahead, click on connect with Telegram, then you open Telegram app, and you allow it load as well. So just be patient. Sometimes network can be very frustrating, so you just go ahead and just click on login. Then you return back to your browser, and you receive this pop-up. So copy the link again then open your browser and join their Telegram channel. Alright, join the channel, then verify that you are human. Alright, so you just solve the simple math, which is 6 times 0, that's 0. Alright, I accept and I read. So now you can go back and send a message. Hi. This simply means you have been verified as well. Then you go back and complete the task just the same way we did in Discord. Alright, the same way we did the Discord. You just click continue, then you click open with Telegram, then you sign in, and you should be well verified now on that task. You can see it. I've been verified. So the next thing to do is to connect your X account. You just click on connect with X. Alright, connect with X. Then your X will pop up. If you have logged in, just authorize. Alright, just authorize, and I believe your X is connected successfully. Now you can do your daily check-in. Just click on it. Then reveal reward. Just click on reveal reward. It will randomly pick a quiz for you. if you pick a quiz, that means you have to pass a quiz, else you've just claimed. So it's as simple as this. So this is what you do on a daily basis. Do your 24 hours daily check-in just once in a day. Then for the testnet properly, okay, for the testnet, you click on faucet. You know it will be open by tomorrow. Today is 15, so it will be officially open tomorrow. All right, officially open tomorrow. Then you can copy your address, right? Your wallet address. You can get it from. All right, so after you've copied your EVM address, you just go ahead and connect. You check for eligibility. Then you can connect. Okay, human verification. Connect with Discord to get 10. So you can just connect, open, just connect, and it will open your Discord again. All right, so just screw and authorize. Then after authorization, you can just scroll down and click on new request. All right, so you can see, okay, transaction confirmed on testnet. So 10 ORB has been sent into your wallet already. So you can, after 24 hours, you can request for more. All right, so this is how it works. And for the, what is it called, for the testnet, you can start, testnet tasks will start popping up from tomorrow. And also you can send to other people, right? Send to other people and they will send to you. So in case you want to be part of my group, I've dedicated a WhatsApp group for these activities. You can join so that you can share knowledge, you can share tokens with other people, right? So you share, you send to people, people send to you. That's how you just build volume. All right, so the more activity you do, the more airdrop you are qualified in that particular wallet. So these are just the totality on testnet. So now they have their blockchain. What we are doing is to test the flexibility, all right, test the strength of their blockchain. That's what we are here to do, and it is important we do it as teamwork. So in the description of this video, join the WhatsApp group and keep testing with other people. And if this is your first time following David Network on YouTube or any social media, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that when we drop subsequent update like this, you can be among the first people to receive the information. So on the send path, you can see here, so let me try to refresh. Sometimes it takes time for the 10 this thing to reflect, so just be patient. All right, so once it reflects, you can start sending to people from here. You just grab their address, you send, as they send one to you, you send one to them. So that's how it works, and we'll continue to do other activities. You can see all of them, they are locked currently, but from tomorrow a new development will be opened, right? A new interface will be opened on this platform where we can start testing our project. So that's just it. So thank you for watching. See you in my next videos.